Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of June 28th through July 4th. Crazy that we are already in July. This is actually my new planner because we're in July. So I have the new Recollections planner. This is my first week I'm planning in here. Excuse me. So I'm excited to be doing that, but also a little nervous because it's my first week. I'm using this kit from Planner Problem. This is just the first page of it. It's called Patriot, but it's very patriotic. I just printed the first page because this is the most useful to me. It has full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, flags, and some icons. This is really everything that I need in order to put everything out. So this is what I have. I also pulled some extra things to go with. So I have these two tapes from Scotch, this one from AliExpress, and then these three are from Michaels. This one I actually got at AC Moore, but it's now, like, that brand is owned by Michaels. So I have all of these. And then I also pulled these three. This one's from Amazon, and then these two are from Dollar Tree. So I'm like ready to go. I'm gonna use this one here, I think. I think I'm gonna put it like this as my three headers there. And then my plan, because I just want to make it a little bit extra, I think these two will fit. So I'm going to use these two, and then because it's my brand new planner, I might actually use whiteout. Crazy, I know. This might not actually fit. It like just fits, it seems. So yeah, I think my plan is to use these two for the bottom washi. So I'm gonna do all those things, put all of this down. I have somewhere here, slice tool, AliExpress ruler. So I'm gonna put all that stuff down, and then I will come back so we can do all the interesting bits. All right, there we go. It's looking really cute. You might have noticed my whiteout lines are not very straight, but I did my best, and I think it's not like super noticeable, so I think it looks cute. And we are ready to keep going. Hopefully my light didn't change too much. My cat decided to help it along. In terms of this like sidebar quote box, I think I'm gonna use this one because it seems like super patriotic. So it seems like a good choice here. Hopefully I can just line everything up the same way I did in the old one. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right. Then I kind of want to alternate the like glitter ones with the patterned ones. So I think I'm gonna put them in order of like red, white, and blue, quote unquote. Obviously this is silver, not actually white, but same thing. Almost put that one down in the wrong spot. As you might have noticed, the middle header washi is like a little too wide, but once I like put down these full boxes, it covers it right up and you can't even tell. And then let's see. I feel like this one, let me put this one down. Right here. feel like it goes with the zigzaggy one. I'm not really sure why. I'm not even sure that makes sense, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And then I think I'm gonna put these dots over on Sunday. I can get all these little scrappy scraps to let go of me. Might be a new planner, but same old me cutting all these things, so still doing all the scrappy scraps. Let's see. And then this one right here will go on Monday. Hopefully that looks cute because my undo is not handy. Okay, I think that does look really cute. Definitely liking it. So starting over here, wow, this new planner feels so thin because it doesn't have a year's worth of stickers in it. I pulled out, I think this was my 4th of July kit last year for 2020. But this is like my leftovers that I had. So I pulled this out and I figured I'd use some things as it fits, since obviously patriotic fits. So I'm going to start out with this header that says important. The colors go really well actually with this kit, which is not too surprising, but you know, it's a thing. And then I also pulled these leftovers. I think this is from a My Planner Life UK kit. So I pulled out this habit tracker from there. I think I'm just gonna do a single, should I do a single habit? So for at least my first habit, I need to keep brushing my cat's teeth. So I'm gonna use the sticker. This is from like a tiny Recollections book from Michael's. It says, "So fresh." I feel like it's funny. So I'm going to use that as one for brushing his teeth. And then I think I'm just going to stick in the second one because why not? So for the second habit tracker, should I stick a row of washi in between? Maybe? I think I'll use this arrow washi. To kind of divide it up a little bit. There we go. Use this second habit tracker. And this one I think is going to be for Instagram. And I have this little phone icon here, unless there's something in here that like is the same style. Let's double check. There's like these little hearts. There's like these little fashion girls. I suppose I could use this one since I used the one that says "So fresh." I will also use this one that says "cool." That's like a little girl's face for Instagram. There, why not? And then I'm going to pull the, do I want to use red or do I want to use the light blue? Why not? We'll use the light blue. This color isn't exactly in the week's kit, but I feel like it goes well enough that it fits. This one's the To Cook header. And I'm going to stick in this Monday through Sunday here for that. And then I'm going to take, I feel like I should use like a funkier washi tape. We'll use the stripes. I tore the end of it, so I'm gonna have to stick it here. There's one. And there's this side. And then I'm gonna take one of these guys. I'll use the dots because that's on the way on the other side. One of these little half boxes, like so. And then another little strip of this washi, if I can find the end of it. I'm just gonna stick in some sort of highlight at some point during the week. I don't really know what, because honestly, this week's still really up in the air. All right, so that's the side part done. So now we can move into the rest of the week. My plan is to just kind of use these guys for work. If I can manage to do it. Let's see. That is like not at all placed usefully. There's one. There's two. I'm literally just sticking them down in the order that they're on this sheet, like total disregard for like glitter versus non-glitter or whatever, because I think it's gonna look fine when it's done. So there's work for the first half of the week. I also want to put in, let's see, what icon makes sense. Maybe I'll use this asterisk one. Monday I have a work lunch, so I'm gonna stick that in. And then at the last part of this, I want a quarter box. Is this gonna fit up here? I'm gonna make it fit. I'm gonna stick this down last and then stick this right here. There, made it fit. This is gonna be for my plan with me going live. I didn't actually pull a sticker to like go with that, but I do have my leftovers book. I feel like this one might work. It's not quite the same red, but I feel like it goes. All right, this is from My Planner Life UK, a leftover little heart. I don't think I have anything that like more obviously fits. I had a tooth in here. Oh, look at that. All right, gonna just use that. We're good to go. That's for my plan with me going live. The rest of Monday, I don't know. Tuesday, I don't know. And Wednesday, I felt like I had something, but I don't remember. So I guess it's not a thing. Okay, so for Thursday and Friday, I'm gonna stick down these guys. Friday might be a day off. I have not really figured that out yet. Probably gonna take it off, or at least part of it off. But I'm just gonna not fill in anything yet on my planner, and then I can fill in whether that turns into work or into a day off when we get there. So there we go. I don't really have anything special planned for those days. They just kind of are. And then Saturday, nothing is happening. And Sunday is the day that I actually need to fill something in. So that's 4th of July. I pulled these Dollar Tree stickers. It says July 4th on it. So I have this, and then I want to put something next to it. Maybe I'll do this like USA from here. I think I can fit both of them. There. All right, I think that looks pretty cute. Marks the 4th, so we are good to go there. And that's literally all I know right now. So I know it's boring, and I'm sorry, but that's kind of my life right now. So here's the pre-planning before the pen all sorted out. And then if you just stick around for a second, you'll see how my week went and what I ended up filling out. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out, super cute. Here, I'll do the wiggle and the twerk. Super cute. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Planner Problem. Still a few things left over on this sheet. I also have a good amount of leftovers still from Planner One Love from that sheet. So still gonna keep that in my leftovers. This is a Planner One Love header. The two habit trackers came from another leftover. I'm not really sure where. This is Dollar Tree washi. These are from Recollections at Michael's little sticker folder thing. More Planner One Love. This is washi I got from AC Moore. It's now, that brand is owned by Michael's. And then more of that Dollar Tree washi. More Dollar Tree washi. This is a My Planner Life UK little icon. This is a Amazon washi. Planner One Love. Planner One Love. The bottom washi, the silver's from Scotch, and then the other one's from Michael's. This is from my Recollections book, an old planner. It's from Dollar Tree. Planner One Love. Planner One Love. Planner One Love. Planner One Love. My Planner Life UK. This is a Plannerology Studio leftover. This is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby, as is this one. And then this is from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a Dollar Tree little July 4th. And then this is from the Planner One Love sheet. This is an icon from Plannerology Studio that I added the little heart to. And then this is from that Agenda 52 book. And that's it. I think I covered everything. So I think it's super cute. Definitely very patriotic. For the 4th, I'm excited to be getting started in this planner, and I'm excited that it seems like everything still fits the way I would expect it to fit. So that's definitely a good thing as well. As always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what you did for the 4th. Let me know if you have any exciting plans in the coming weeks, and also what kits you're planning out right now. What have you bought recently? Let me know what you have. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.